So hello guys, welcome back to the Fashion Lover YouTube channel. I am your video host Abhijit and today we are going to see 5 best bikes under 2 lakhs in India. I have already made a video on 5 best bikes under 1 lakh in India. So if you haven't watched that video, please go and check it out. Also, if you are a first time visitor here, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon.
You're a superhero.
First bike in our list is TVS Apache RTR 200 4V BS6. Apache RTR 200 4V now comes with 3 different ride modes: rain mode, sports mode and urban mode. Also we get adjustable front forks for the first time in the segment. We get adjustable clutch and brake lever, race tuned slipper clutch and dual channel ABS with the rear wheel lift off technology. Apache RTR comes with 197.75cc BS6 fuel injected engine. Power generation is different for different riding modes. Rain and urban produces 17.32 PS power and torque is 16.51 Newton meter. And for the sport mode, the maximum power generation is 20.82 PS and the maximum torque generation is 17.25 Newton meter. Coming to the instrument cluster, we get complete digital instrument cluster with the details about gear, average speed, lap times, fuel indicator. One of the best feature in the bike is XConnect. Through XConnect, you can connect your mobile and you get a call and message notification while you are riding. For the price of 1.3 lakhs ex-showroom, RTR 200 4V provides many additional features like LED headlight, LED tail lamp, dual channel ABS and slipper clutch, which doesn't come in many 200cc bikes in this price range. Next bike in the list is Dominar 250. In terms of budget, Dominar 250 is the more affordable bike being launched at Rs 1.6 lakh ex-showroom. Bike gets almost same design and styling as its elder sibling Dominar 400. And we get same powerful LED headlamps, large 300mm front disc, dual channel ABS, upside down front forks and the dual barrel exhaust. The Dominar 250 comes with 248.8cc single cylinder BS6 engine, which produces maximum power of 27 PS at 8500 RPM and maximum torque 23.5 Newton meter torque at 6500 RPM. Dominar 250 comes with 6-speed gearbox. Overall, for the person who just wants a bike that looks cool and offers great value, the Dominar 250 is one of the best choice. Next bike in the list is Honda Hornet 2.0. Honda Hornet 2.0 comes with 184.4cc single cylinder air cooled BS6 engine, which produces max power 17.3 PS power at 8500 RPM and max torque 16.1 Newton meter torque at 6000 RPM. Honda Hornet bike comes with upside down forks and it is way lighter than its immediate rivals RTR 200 and 200 NS. We can see LED lighting being offered all around the bike. Honda Hornet gets 110 by 70 section tire in front and 140 by 70 section tire in back. We can see extra max tire being offered in the Honda Hornet bike. Honda Hornet comes with pedal disc in both sides and single channel ABS. ABS is operational only in the front tire. Bike comes with 12 liters fuel tank capacity and mileage would be around 38 to 40 kilometers in the real world conditions if the bike is ridden sensibly. Bike is launched at the price of 1,28,595 rupees ex-showroom. This bike is not about top speed, but it is more about initial pickup and good bottom end torque with good mid-range. Fourth bike in the list is Pulsar NS200. NS200 comes with 199.9cc single cylinder FI BS6 engine with liquid cooling. NS200 produces 24.5 PS power at 9750 RPM and maximum torque 18.5 Newton meter torque at 8000 RPM. Bike comes with 100 by 80 17-inch front tire and 130 by 70 17-inch rear tire with 300mm disc in front and 230mm disc in back. Bike still operates with single channel ABS. We still get halogen headlights and indicators and telescopic suspension for the price of 1,30,195 ex-showroom. Last bike in the list is Hero Xpulse 200. Hero Xpulse 200 gets full LED headlights with chrome surroundings and in front we get 90 by 90 21-inch tire with 190mm telescopic suspensions and we can see 270mm disc brake in front and 230mm disc brake in back. Hero Xpulse still operates with the single channel ABS. Xpulse 200 comes with BS6 engine with new programmed fuel injection system. Also, the BS6 version now gets oil cooling system. Xpulse 200 produces maximum power 17.8 bhp at 8500 rpm and maximum torque 16.45 Nm at 6500 rpm. For 1,11,000 ex-showroom price, we get fully digital instrument cluster with turn-by-turn navigator and Bluetooth connectivity. So these are the 5 best bikes under 2 lakhs in India. If you find this video informative, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. I will meet you guys in the next video. Until then, stay safe. Bye bye.